Good day. So I'm going to be taking you through the process of installing the offline app and how to run it. So first you need to download the installer file. So once you download the installer file, so I kept my own installer file here. So this is the installer file. So all you just need to do is just to install it in the system. So you click on the file, you click on run. Now you just click on accept agreement, next. Now you can create a shortcut on the desktop so that you can always use that to start it up. Next, and you just click on install. So now it has finished installing. So let me launch the app for you to see how it looks like. So this is it. This is how it's going to be. So you can just minimize this. So please take note, whenever you want to run the offline CBT, this app needs to be open at all times whenever you are running offline CBT. If not, it won't work. So for example, if you are starting your system fresh, what you can just easily do, let's say for example now the system is starting afresh, what you can just easily do is you can easily go to this shortcut here and just double click it to start. So next I'm going to show you how to verify your schools on the offline CBT. So first you need to do is you need to get your IP address. So how to get your IP address? All you just need to do is you just need to go to your browser or what you're using to browse. So probably if you're using a MiFi or you are using a router or whatever you're using to browse, so you just need to go to your Wi-Fi, right? So this is what I'm using to browse here. So this is the Wi-Fi I'm using. All you need to do here is just to right click on it and click on properties. So it's going to show you the IP address. So you can just scroll down here and you see IP4 v4 address. So this is what you need. So yours is going to be a little bit different from mine since this is the internet I'm currently using. So you just need to copy this IP address here and now go to your preferred browser. So you can use any browser from Chrome to Firefox to Safari, any browser that you're conversant with using, just use any browser. So for this I'm going to use Chrome. So if I open the Chrome browser now, all I need to do is that IP address I got, I just copy it and paste it here. Now I'm going to use that as the URL, and if you remember, the offline app is pinging for 8081. So what I'll do here is just to put in column, as you saw here, as you saw in the offline app here, column 8081. So you just put that in column 8081. So once you do that, you just click on enter. Now if you did that correctly, you would see this login page. Now this page is trying to verify your school. So by now you should have gotten your school verification code and an email address you can use to log in. So I'm going to show you how the code looks like. So once you have the code, I'm going to show you my code, but once you have the code, so this is how the code looks like. So you have an educare underscore and that's the code. So this is how it's going to be. So the next thing is to put in your admin email address. So now please take note, teachers login is not going to work, so you have to use an admin login. So all you just need to do here is to put in your login. So for this demo I'm going to use the account. So this is my So now this is it. Then you put in your password, your online password. So if you do this process correctly, it should just tell you verification complete. So now once this process is completed, you will see the logo of your school here with the background of your school. So that will make you know that you have logged in correctly. So all you now need to do now to log into this fully is for you to use that same email address you used to log in, and CBT password. Now you will take note that the password you're going to use to log in from this point forward is just going to basically be CBT password. That is just it's a security precaution so that your online password will be totally different from this your offline password. So it's just a security precaution. So all you need to do here is just put in CBT password and you click on login, and this is how the interface would be. So in the so once you are done with this, you have logged in like this. So I'm going to take you through the other processes with how to import questions and how to do some other settings here.